Alright guys, today we will be doing unboxing, configuration and takeoff test of this DJI Mini 3. DJI Mini 3 requires activation before using for the first time. If you are using the RCN1 remote controller, you must need to download the DJI Fly and connect to the drone to the remote controller and to the mobile device. Then you will need to follow the prompts on the screen to activate your drone. Since I have the DJI RC controller with the built-in screen, I don't have to worry about connecting my phone to the RC. And it's very important to remove the gimbal protector before powering the drone. When powering on the drone, the gimbal will rotate and perform self-check. If the gimbal protector is not removed, the motor may be damaged or service life will be affected, or even impact the flight safety after takeoff. This is to safeguard the camera lens and aircraft arm. You'd better attach the gimbal protector to your drone during daily storage or carrying outdoors. Okay, let's remove the gimbal protector. Push the lower buckle of the gimbal protector towards the camera to remove. And you will need to remove all the attached stickers to the drone for a better vision. The gimbal is quite sensitive, so we gotta be careful. Okay, let's work to the other creature, which is the RC. This is our DJI RC remote controller. Has the control sticks, status LED, battery level LEDs, flight pose, return to home button, flight mode switch, power button. It is a touchscreen. It has a USB-C port. It has a micro SD card slot and a host port USB-C. Has also the control stick storage slot, customizable C2 button, and it's a customizable C1 button. It has a gimbal dial, record button, camera control dial, focus shutter button, and speaker. What I got here is the DJI stickers. A piece of screwdriver to unscrew or screw the propeller, and a spare part of propellers. And I got here the Type-C USB cable. Okay, remove the control sticks from the storage slot and then screw them into the place. You will need to check also the battery level of the remote controller and power on. And here I have one extra intelligent flight battery. This battery works also with DJI Mini 3 Pro. Okay, what I got here is the charging hub. Note that the battery can be charged without being removed from the drone. And if you would like to install or remove the battery from the drone, you just need to press both sides of the battery, pull to take it out, and push to install. To install the memory card, push it in to lock. If you are using the DJI RC for the first time, press the remote controller power button once and then again, and hold for about 2 seconds to power on or off the remote controller. And do the same thing with the aircraft. One short press followed by a long press until the aircraft gives noise. And now the remote controller is starting. Select the language, select the country and region, and then connect to the Wi-Fi network. Select the time zone, date and time, and log into your DJI account. Allow everything and tap next. Tap activate. And start pairing your drone to the RC controller. Choose your drone, then push power button on the drone for 4 seconds. And you will need to update the whole firmware package including the drone and the remote controller. Okay, update successful. Exit. Okay, aircraft and the RC controller is bound together. Now you can fly your drone. Tap Go Fly. On the left side of your screen, tap the takeoff button and then long press and wait for the drone to take off. And to land the drone, just hold the left stick down until the motor stops.